Introducing the JAIC 43 seat by Jain'm Seats. Built for precision, comfort, and operator safety in compact and high-performance vehicles. Outfitted with premium cushioning, it supports operators through long work hours while maintaining posture and reducing fatigue. The seat sliding feature allows front and back adjustment for flexible positioning, ensuring operators of all sizes can access controls easily and work comfortably. A built-in sensor system enhances safety by detecting seat occupancy, and the addition of a secure seatbelt ensures that safety standards are always met, even in high movement or stop-start environments. The JAIC 43 is compact, reliable, and built to perform in tight workspaces without compromising comfort or compliance. The JAIC 43 seat, compact comfort, smart features, industrial strength, Jain'm Seats. Engineered for safety, built for performance. Subscribe for more product insights and explore the full lineup at jainmagro.in.